Today we're going to take the top panel and the side panels of the Bellezza Bellona. I'm going to show you how to take them off and put them back on. First thing, there are 3 long screws in the back using a 3mm Allen key. We're going to take these 3 screws off and put them aside. Okay, again, as a reminder, this machine was built overseas. If it's not a screwdriver, it's going to be a metric tool. Your wrenches, your Allen keys are all going to be metric. Now, we've loosened those 3 screws. Problem is the cover won't come off because it's bolted in front. You have to take the longest Phillips screwdriver you have, and you have to lift this up like this, and you have to look under, and you'll see 2 screws up front. On this side, you loosen it. You don't have to take it out. You just have to loosen it a half a turn. And on this side, there's another one. You loosen a half a turn, and then the cover comes off. To get the side panels off, 3 screws. There's a screw here that you can get like this. These screws do have to come out. Be careful you don't drop them. If you drop them, they're not going to go very far, so, but be careful not to drop them anyway, nonetheless. They're not steel screws, so your magnetic screwdriver won't be much use. Won't be the saving grace. There's one. The other one is over here on this side. Okay, now make sure you get your nice clean rag down because we're going to lay this thing on its front. And we don't want to scratch it, do we? Now we have 6 screws on the bottom. 2 for each side, 2 for the back. The outer casing is actually 3 separate pieces. We'll see in a minute. Back comes off. Okay. Generally, you don't have to disconnect this hose. Now we tip it up on its front. And, oh, there's another screw under here. Forgot about this screw. Under here, 2 more screws under here. Can't forget about these. There you go. That clasp over there, this little catch. So you have to push it this way towards the back. Let's take these 2 screws out of this side over here. And this side is taken out the same way. Hold the front away. There you go. Now we can disconnect these 2 wires here. You don't really have to label them because they go back either way, as long as they go back. We want to take these 2 connectors off. A long nose plier is probably the easiest way to do it, unless it's soldered. One. 2. Okay, we've disconnected these 2 wires. Now the panels are off, and this is what the machine looks like on the inside. When we want to put the panels back on, you do everything that we just did in reverse order. When you want to get the side panel back on, make sure that this tab here falls into this slot over here. Before you tighten any screws, make sure it's in, and you'll notice if it's not in, the side panel will bulge out a little bit.